In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Loop for beginners. Think of Microsoft Loop as a flexible workspace where you can brainstorm, plan, and collaborate in real time. We'll walk through getting set up, creating your first workspace and page, speeding things up with templates, and sharing your work with others. Start by opening your browser and searching for Microsoft Loop. From the results, open the official Microsoft 365 page for Loop. On that page, click Get Started with Loop. Sign in with your Microsoft account or create a new one if you're brand new. Once you're in, you'll land on the Loop home experience. Next, create a place for your project. Click Create New, then choose New Workspace. Type a clear descriptive workspace name, something your team will recognize instantly, and click Create. Good naming helps you find things quickly later. Inside your workspace, add your first page. Click the plus icon and select Page. Pages are your main canvases for ideas, notes, tasks, and embedded components. On the page, click the Add icon to insert content. You can start with simple text, checklists, tables, or other building blocks. To make the page feel polished and easier to scan, click Add Cover and choose a visual that fits the project's theme. Then add a title at the top. Keep it focused and action-oriented so everyone knows the page's purpose at a glance. With that in place, start your project content. Capture key goals, scope, or a quick outline to guide your work. If you want a faster start, open the template gallery. Templates give you pre-built structures for things like project plans, meeting notes, and task tracking. Pick a template that matches your scenario, then click Use Template. You can edit every section afterward, adjust headings, remove what you don't need, and add components as your plan evolves. Templates are a great way to stay consistent across teams and save setup time. When you're ready to bring others in, click Share. Choose how you want to collaborate. Share the entire workspace for broad access, send a page link for focused work, or share a single component to embed a live, up-to-date block elsewhere. Set the right permissions, view or edit, so contributors have exactly the access they need. That's it. You searched for Loop, signed in, created a workspace, built a page, personalized it, explored templates, and shared your work. With these basics, you're ready to plan, iterate, and collaborate smoothly in Microsoft Loop.